Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast.
Hi, I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom, glad to be here.
If you ever said yes when you really wanted to say no just because you didn't know how to say it politely, this episode is for you.
Wait, be honest. How many times have you agreed to something and then felt stressed about it later?
Too many times to count, especially when I was still learning English.
You're not alone. Saying no feels scary in any language, but especially in a language that isn't your first one.
Today, you will learn how to say no politely, clearly, and with confidence in English.
No awkward silence, no feeling guilty, just simple, respectful phrases that actually work in real life.
One time, a friend asked me for a huge favor, and I said yes, even though I really couldn't do it. I felt stressed for days.
That happens to so many people. Saying yes feels easier in the moment, but it often creates bigger problems later.
I remember canceling other plans, losing sleep, and still feeling resentful, all because I couldn't say one small word.
Exactly. And once you learn how to say no politely, that pressure disappears completely.
Today, we give you a simple formula plus real phrases for almost any situation.
One formula, so much less stress in your daily life, your friendships, and your work. Okay, are you ready?
Here is the formula. Remember 3 small parts: acknowledge, decline, and offer something if you can.
Acknowledge, decline, offer. That is the whole formula.
We will build this step by step with real, useful examples.
And by the end, saying no will feel natural, not scary.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1. Acknowledge the request before saying no.
This first small step matters so much. It shows the other person you heard them and you appreciate them asking.
You can say, "Thank you for asking," or "I really appreciate you thinking of me."
Or, that sounds like a great opportunity, even if you're going to say no.
Wait, this is important. Skipping this step is the biggest reason no can sound cold or rude.
A simple acknowledgement softens everything that comes next without changing your final answer.
It also shows emotional intelligence. You're not just reacting, you're truly considering their request first.
This tiny habit alone can completely change how people receive your no in almost any relationship, big or small.
Let's practice. Imagine someone invited you to a party you can't attend. Say, "Thank you so much for inviting me."
Good job! That's the warm, respectful opening before any no at all.
Before step 2, one small tip. Your tone of voice matters here too. Say it warmly, with a smile, even if you're just thinking it in your head.
A warm tone plus a warm sentence makes any answer feel kinder.
Even in a text message or an email, you can add warmth through your word choice and small details, like a friendly exclamation point. Good tip. Now, let's continue.
Step 2. Decline clearly but gently.
This is the actual no part, but we don't need harsh words at all.
You can say, "I'm sorry, but I can't." Simple and polite.
Or, "Unfortunately, I won't be able to." A little more formal and still very polite.
Or, "I don't think I can this time." Softer and leaves room for the future.
Wait, here's the mistake you probably make, being too vague and never actually saying no clearly.
If you only say maybe or I'll try, people don't understand your real answer and they keep expecting a yes.
Clear but kind is always better than vague and confusing.
In fact, vague answers often lead to more awkward, confusing conversations later when the misunderstanding finally becomes completely clear.
A direct, kind no now actually saves everyone time, energy, and stress in the long run.
How do you usually decline something, Tom?
I usually say, "I'm sorry, but I really can't this time." Clear, but still warm.
I like saying, "Unfortunately, that doesn't work for me." Polite and professional.
Let's practice. Say, "I'm sorry, but I can't," out loud right now with a calm, kind voice.
Great. Now you have the actual no, clear, but never harsh.
Quick reminder before we continue. Our formula was acknowledge, decline, and offer if you can.
Each part softens the no while keeping your message completely clear.
You don't need long explanations or excuses. A short, honest sentence is always enough.
In fact, a long, complicated excuse can sometimes sound less honest than a short, simple no.
The more you explain, the more it can feel like you're apologizing for existing, and that's not necessary at all.
Good. Now let's add step 3, the final, optional part.
Step 3. Offer something if you genuinely want to.
This step is optional, but it often leaves a really positive feeling after the conversation.
You can offer an alternative time. I can't today, but I'm free on Friday.
You can offer a different kind of help. I can't help with the whole project, but I can review it quickly.
Or you can simply express interest for next time. I can't join this time, but please invite me again.
Wait, this is important. Only offer something you can truly do. Don't create a new problem while solving the first one.
A genuine, smaller offer is much better than a big promise you can't keep.
And remember, offering nothing at all is also completely okay. It's optional, not required in every situation.
Some situations simply need a clean, complete no without any extra offer attached.
Let's practice a full mini example using all 3 parts together.
Thank you so much for the invitation. I'm sorry, but I can't make it this weekend. Could we plan something for next month instead?
See how naturally that flows? Warm, clear, and still friendly from start to finish.
Step 4. Saying no at work more formally.
Work situations often need slightly more formal language.
You can say, I appreciate you thinking of me for this, but I don't have the capacity right now.
Or, thank you for the offer, but I'll have to pass this time.
Or, if a coworker asks for help, you can say, I'd love to help, but I'm fully booked until Thursday.
Here's the mistake you probably make: over-explaining with too many personal details in a work setting.
A short, professional reason is completely enough. You don't owe anyone a long story.
In fact, over-explaining at work can sometimes make you seem less confident, even when your reason is completely valid.
A calm, brief answer signals professionalism and self-respect at the same time.
What's your go-to phrase at work, Lucy?
I usually say, thank you for considering me, but I won't be able to take this on right now.
I appreciate it, but my schedule is full this week.
Both sound professional, clear, and completely respectful.
Notice neither example mentions personal reasons, like being tired or having other plans, just simple, work-appropriate language.
This keeps a clear, healthy boundary between your personal life and your professional conversations.
Step 5. Saying no to more casual, everyday requests.
With friends or family, you can be a bit more relaxed and casual.
You can say, I can't today, sorry, or not this time, but thank you.
Or for food or drinks you don't want, you can say, no thanks, I'm good, a very common friendly phrase.
For plans you're simply not interested in, you can say, that's not really my thing, but thanks for asking.
Wait, this is important. No thanks, I'm good works perfectly for small offers, like extra food or a drink.
You don't need a long explanation for small, everyday moments like these.
These small, casual phrases are some of the most commonly used sentences in daily English conversation.
Practicing them, even for tiny situations, builds real confidence for bigger moments too.
Step 6. Handling pressure when someone doesn't accept your no.
Sometimes people push back after you say no. This step helps you stay calm and firm.
You can simply repeat your answer calmly. I understand, but my answer is still no.
Or, I hear you, but this really doesn't work for me.
You don't need to get angry or explain more. A calm repeat is a powerful, respectful tool.
Wait, this is important. You never owe anyone extra explanations just because they pushed back once.
A polite, firm no is a complete sentence all on its own.
This technique is sometimes called the broken record method. You simply repeat your calm answer without adding new arguments.
It sounds simple, but it's incredibly effective, especially with people who push back often.
Step 8. Put it all together.
Now let's build one full, complete example using our whole formula.
Listen to my example. Thank you so much for asking me to help with the event. Unfortunately, I won't be able to this time. My schedule is really full, but I'd love to help with the next one if that works.
Now listen to my example. I really appreciate the invitation. I'm sorry, but I can't make it tonight. Let's grab coffee another time, though. I really like that.
See how many small parts we used, but it still feels warm, natural, and genuinely kind.
Nothing feels cold. Nothing feels rude or dismissive.
That is the perfect balance between honest and respectful.
Notice both examples used all 3 formula parts, but they still sound completely different and personal because real feelings shaped the words. Step 8. Practice time.
Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions in your head or write them down.
Question 1. How would you acknowledge someone before saying no?
Question 2. What is one clear, polite way to actually say no?
Question 3. Is there something small you could genuinely offer instead?
Question 4. How would you say no more formally at work?
Question 5. How would you calmly repeat your no if someone pushed back?
Now, put your answers together into your own full example using our formula.
Say it out loud, right now, in front of a mirror or while you make your coffee.
This is the best practice. Speaking these phrases again and again until they feel natural and automatic.
So don't be shy. Try it right now after this episode.
Let's review everything one more time, very quickly.
Acknowledge with warmth. Thank you for asking.
Decline, clearly but kindly. I'm sorry, but I can't.
Offer something if you genuinely can. But I'm free on Friday.
Adjust your tone for work versus casual situations.
And stay calm and firm if someone pushes back on your answer.
5 small parts, one complete, respectful way to say no.
But remember, you only truly need 3. Acknowledge, decline, and offer if you can.
The rest, add slowly as you feel more confident and more comfortable.
Maybe today you only practice a clear, simple no. That is perfectly okay.
Next week, maybe you add the acknowledgement and the offer too. Slowly, it all becomes natural.
Learning a language is not a race, it's a walk, one small step at a time.
I really love that idea.
Before we finish, let's talk about why this skill matters so much.
Saying yes to everything leads to stress, exhaustion, and even resentment over time.
But saying no politely protects your time, your energy, and your peace of mind.
It also protects your relationships because resentment often grows quietly from too many unwanted yes answers.
A healthy no today often prevents a much bigger problem later.
And honestly, people respect a clear, kind no much more than a vague, uncomfortable yes.
So very true.
This one small skill can genuinely change how you feel in your daily life, your work, and your relationships.
So here is your challenge right now.
Pause this video.
And say one polite no out loud using our formula about something in your real life.
Acknowledge, decline, offer if you can.
Go on, try it now. We'll wait.
Did you do it? Great job. I'm truly proud of you. That's it. You just practiced protecting your own time and energy in English. That's a real, powerful skill worth using every single day.
Well, I think our time is almost finished for today.
Time goes fast when the topic is this useful.
It really does. This was such a practical episode.
It was. Before we go, we have one more small favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
It really helps other learners find our podcast and finally say no without feeling guilty.
And please share it with a friend who always says yes, even when they really don't want to.
We want to help as many people as we can, one confident no at a time.
Because your time and your energy truly matter just as much as everyone else's. And now for your homework and our question of the day.
Go to the comments section below.
Comment below. What's a situation where you wished you had said no, but said yes instead?
Write your own polite no for that exact situation using our formula.
For example, thank you for asking, but unfortunately I can't this time.
You can write anything you want, just make it honest and simple.
We would love to read your comments and cheer you on as you practice this skill.
It will be so much fun seeing everyone's new, confident no sentences.
Every single comment is proof that someone is choosing themselves a little more today. Thank you all so much for listening today.
Thank you all. It was truly a pleasure, as always. We are cheering for every one of you.
Stay safe and keep practicing one polite no at a time.
We will be back soon with another fun episode.
And remember, acknowledge, decline, offer if you can.
That's your formula forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye now, Lucy.
Bye now, Tom.